Good morning kabayan, this is Tinyap, another new listing located dito sa Palace Athena, Imus, Cavite. And ang maganda dito sa bago nating listing kabayan, this is in a corner location. So ang kaniyang facing is northwest ang kaniyang orientation with 5 bedrooms. Before we start our open house tour for today kabayan, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts and subscribe to my YouTube channel para lagi kang updated sa upcoming pa nating house tour videos. This is Tinyap, your kabayan broker. So before tayo pumasok sa loob, pakita ko lang yung neighborhood dito sa left side ko. Sa main road siya, and then dito yung right side. So tara. Malaki itong property, lot area is 250 square meters, total floor niya is 230 square meters. So ito yung other side. And automated gate na din ito. So as you can see, ayan, door tech system. For the garage naman, kasya dito 2 to 3 cars. And maganda dito kabayan, ayan. You have canopy coming from the balcony sa taas. And ang iyong flooring dito ay cemented. So this is a single detached house. And also, i-share ko lang na may install dito na solar panel kasama na rin sa price nitong property. So, may mga smart features din itong property na ito. So, dito tayo sa rear part. Ayan, as you can see, with fence na din siya. Nakita nyo kanina, gated na din itong property. So, height niya ganyan. So, meron siyang cladding dito sa part na to. Pero yung kaniyang concrete ay hanggang dito ko siya. Okay. This part service area. Service counter. Ito naman yung maid's room. Okay, you have a helper's quarter and then may shelves. So dito kabayan kapag magto-turn over na, no, lilinisin naman yung property. Hindi naman natirhan tong property. So still counted as brand new itong property na ito. So ito yung left side, galing tayo sa right side. So you still have space here. Kung may gatherings ka or gusto mo itong gawing space for your mini pool, yan, mga dipping pool lang, pwedeng-pwede ito. So may mga naka-install na din na air condition units dito. So every bedrooms actually may aircon. So paikot tayo dito. Ayan. For the facade, ganyan ang style niya. So you have here deco. So you have here panels na may decorations. Itong mga tempered glass, yung mga cornered window na yan, tinted na siya. So hindi nyo makikita yung kanyang loob. As well with this part. And may naka-install din na CCTV cameras. So dito tayo dumaan sa main entrance door, porch, ay naka-cover. So ayan. For the tiles, ayan ang sukat niya. And ang kaniyang color and even the texture. Yan. So talagang inapakan ko. No? Siya ay may pagka-matte yung kaniyang texture. And yung design niya ay parang abstract, no, yung design. Now dito muna tayo sa kitchen area. So this part is the dining area. So, meron ka ditong malaking sliding door with, ayan, may screen door na din na included yan. Chandelier, no, drops. So, sa ating kitchen area, may mga kasama na equipments like the 2-door Condura inverter type. Kitchen island over here, granite tiles. Kitchen sink is stainless. You have overhead and base cabinets. Meron na din na range hood and ayan, yung built-in nating cooktop here. And ayan, may oven na din na included. So ang tatak nito is La Germania. So dito sa ground level, merong bedroom. So aside doon sa napakita ko kanina, which is the helper's quarter, meron ka ditong bedroom. Ayan, sa ground level. So dito, pwede mo naman din itong gawing yung office area or can be actual bedroom talaga. Kasya ang queen size bed, kasya. So you have built-in cabinets and shelves. Ganito yung cabinet niya. Ayan. And LED lights installed. So dito meron ka ding toilet and bath for the ground levels with shower enclosure panels. Ayan, meron na ding mga strip lights, no? So ito naman, this sliding door will lead you to the... Okay, sinara ko. Sa iyong service area. So ito yung kanina. Ayan, and your utility area as well. Sa part na yan. Now, for the color naman, dirty white yung color niya. So, 2-story single detached house. May naka-install din na CCTV sa side na yan. So, tara, i-check natin ang living area. This is the living area, kabayan. Gustong-gusto ko yung flooring niya, na matte finish. And ang ganda lang niyan tignan. Hindi siya boring na flooring actually. And also, this is the entertainment area. Pwede mo ilagay dito ang television. You have cabinets, shelves over there as well. So ito may strip lights din to, dyan sa gilid. Ayan. So you also have a 3 HP floor standing aircon. So ang kanyang brand is Colin. Inverter na din yan. And this is not just a panel wall kasi, ayan, concealed door na din siya. Para lang maitago kung saan tumagos yung kaniyang daanan para dito sa aircon. So, for this side naman, ayan, may naka-install na din na CCTV, cornered glass window, and nabanggit ko nga kanina na meron na rin yung tint. So, hindi mo na kailangan magpa-tint pa. Now, let's move on to the second floor, kabayan. Second level, no, para sa stairways, solid wood hand railings, tempered glass, thread is solid wood, base is concrete. You have enough space to walk. Malaki ang iyong stairways. Tamang-tama ang kanyang sukat. And syempre, hindi nabuksan ng ilaw. There you have a very nice pendant light over your staircase. So aside dun sa living area, meron ka pang space. You still have ample space here. Pwede mo pang gawing family area kung may billiard ka dito or mayroon kang mga gym equipments, pwede din dito yan. So dito meron kang 4 bedrooms. So nahin na natin tong bedroom na to. Okay, for this bedroom, kasha king size bed. No, very spacious lahat ng bedroom. May kasama na rin na 1.5 inverter type split aircon and this built-in cabinet. Very spacious. Yan, talagang yan, konting gamit mo na lang ang kulang. So let's close it. Meron ka pang shelves, awning window, fixed window dito sa taas. And dito sa room na to, ito yung room sa may front part ng property. Meron siya ditong balcony, mini balcony, stainless ang hand railings, tempered ang balustrade, yan, tiles na rin ang flooring niya. Now let's move on dito sa bedrooms, pero nahin natin itong common toilet and bath. So for the common toilet and bath, ayan, ang iyong sink, half divider for your shower area. Yan, complete fixtures from floor to ceiling ang tiles. And let's move on dito sa second bedroom, dito sa second level. Now you have a 2-door built-in cabinet here. Ayan. And also, awning window, meron ng screen, fixed window, same on this side. Dito, kasya pa din ang king size bed actually. So, depende na lang sa preferences mo. So, per bedroom, may naka-install na split type inverter aircon. Daikin din ang kaniyang tatak. So, dito sa side na to, meron ka pa ding balcony. So, hindi kayo magkakaingitan kung may mga balcony ang mga rooms, no? Ayan. So, ito yung stainless hand railings, balustrade, tempered glass as well. O, diba? Talagang bonggang-bongga. Imagine for the 230 square meter floor area, talagang na-maximize ang space ng property na ito. Now, let's move on to the third bedroom, here at the second floor. Here naman, walang balcony, but the space, I'm telling you, kasya pa din ang king size bed. And ito naman yung pinaka-shelves mo. Yan. Actually, itong bedroom na to, pwede siya as office area eh. Kung meron kayong, nag-working kayo at home, no? Mga working at home, kasi meron ka na dito, yan, may area ka na dito. And meron na ring split type na aircon. By the way, naka-cove ceiling din ha. Ang bawat bedroom, even dun sa ground level, no, yung ceiling ay naka-cove na din. So dito na tayo sa master bedroom. Siyempre, kasya pa din ang king size bed. By the way, yung flooring naman dito sa bawat bedroom ay tiles and then ang style is parang wood. Wood planks ang style, pero tiles po yan. And master bedroom has its own toilet and bath with walk-in closet. Ayan, cabinets. Yan, cabinets as well. And ito naman yung kanyang toilet and bath for the master bedroom. So, merong shower enclosure na din dito. So, dito sa master bedroom, meron pa din itong balcony. So, syempre, dahil master siya, mas malaki ang kanyang balcony. Ayan. Meron pa ditong maglagay ng small tables and chairs, no, sa part na ito. So kabayan, kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito at interested ka sa property na ito, details ko is nasa end ng video. And you can also check the description box. So nandiyan dyan ng price and full details of this property. So kung gusto mong magpa-viewing dito sa property na ito, kabayan, dito talaga ako mesto kasi may aircon. Ayan, i-message mo lang ako. This is Tinyap, your kabayan. See you on your scheduled video.